I received this W1 robotic window cleaner as a gift, and I was really curious to see how well something like this would actually work. For this video, I'm testing it out on my sliding glass door, which is a great surface for it because there's a lot of glass to clean. Everything came packaged nicely. You get the robot itself along with the different accessories needed to get started. The bottom has a cleaning pad that sits directly against the glass, and the robot uses suction to hold itself in place while it moves around and cleans. Setup was pretty straightforward. I got the cleaning pad in place, added the water, connected everything, and then I was ready to attach it to the glass. It also comes with a safety rope that can be used as an additional precaution when cleaning higher windows. I don't have any windows that are higher enough to need it, so you won't see me using the safety rope in this video. I'm just using the cleaner on my sliding glass door where I can easily reach the entire surface. Once I had everything ready, I placed the robot against the glass and turned it on. You can immediately feel the suction kick in and hold the cleaner against the door. I was definitely curious about how secure it would feel, but it stays firmly attached while it's moving around. This model has an 8-level safety system as well as an anti-slipping protection, which is especially important for a device that's designed to move vertically across glass. One of the features I was most interested in was seeing the automatic system. This has dual 3-nozzle spraying, so the robot can spray the water onto the glass while it works. You can actually see the mist coming out as it's cleaning, which means I don't have to keep stopping to manually spray different areas of the door. Now you can see it actually working its way across my sliding glass door. I sped up the cleaning footage because the robot does take its time going through the cleaning pattern, and this gives you a much better look at how it moves around and covers the glass. I like that the movement is organized, isn't just randomly moving around hoping that it'll eventually cover everything. You can watch it work its way across different sections of the door, change direction, and continue cleaning. There are 6 different cleaning modes available, so you can choose how you want the robot to work depending on what you're cleaning. It also comes with a remote control, which is really convenient because I control it without having to pull it off the glass. If you want to change what it's doing or direct it towards a particular area, I can do that right from the remote. I like having that option in addition to letting it run through one of the automatic cleaning modes. My sliding door is actually a really good test for this because large glass doors can be annoying to clean by hand. There's so much surface area, and depending on the lighting, it seems like you always notice another streak or spot after you think you're finished. With this, the cleaning pad stays flat against the glass while the robot moves itself around. The automatic spray helps keep the surface wet enough for it to clean. Watching it sped up like this is actually pretty satisfying. You can really see the path it takes and how gradually it makes its way across the door. I was also paying attention to how well it stayed attached when it changed directions. The suction continues holding it firmly against the glass while it moves, turns, and works through the cleaning cycle. Another nice thing about this cleaner is that you aren't limited to using it on windows. It's designed for smooth glass surfaces, so you can use it on things like mirrors and glass doors. For my house, the sliding glass door is probably one of the places where I'll get the most use out of it. I also really appreciate not having to stand there wiping the entire door myself. Obviously, there's still some setup involved. You need to get the pad ready, add your water, connect the cleaner, and place it onto the glass. But after that, the robot is doing the repetitive cleaning and moving for me. And if I see an area that I want it to go over again, that's where having the remote is especially helpful. I can give it a little bit more direction instead of taking it off and starting all over again. You can also see the spray system working throughout the cleaning process. Having the cleaner automatically spray as it goes is probably one of my favorite features because it makes the entire process feel much more automated. Once it had worked its way around the sliding glass door, I was really happy with how everything looked. For my first time using a robotic window cleaner, I was really impressed by how simple it was once I had everything set up. Overall, I really like this W1 window cleaning robot. The suction keeps it secured against my sliding glass door, the automatic spray system saves me from constantly spraying the glass myself, and I like having 6 different cleaning modes along with the remote control.